Welcome to Olaf's Oldtimer. Today we are in Holland, in the Netherlands. This is Frans.
Yes.
Frans.
Hello.
And he's so nice to show us his dog and his car. It is a Mercedes.
Yes.
W115.
5.
And it is a diesel.
220 diesel.
220.
220.
Which year is it?
Year is 78.
78. So it's like the last one of those?
The last one.
The last one.
The last one.
Many years ago.
You can see it inside also.
Good. Many years ago,
Yeah.
I had this car from 74.
Oh, this is no older. Yes.
Yes. Very nice.
Yes. You like it.
Did you ever have it? Did you just buy it or did you always have it?
Always. We drive always Mercedes.
And this one? You bought it new?
No.
No.
No. We have 1 year ago. We have a build van een Mercedes Endelaar.
Ah. And why this one?
My wife for the color.
Ah, the color?
The color.
But why not a Peugeot or
Oh, that's Frans.
Toyota?
No. Always Mercedes.
Always Mercedes. It's
Always.
any problems with the car?
No.
And no rust? No.
Nothing. We have a good tactile on the other side.
Uh-huh.
And on the other side. And inside is also. Yeah.
Oh, it looks new.
The verbandos is also the same.
It's automatic.
The radio also.
Oh. Now look at this. Original. And the kilometer?
Everything is also.
130, 230?
Yes, he is from one man. And the man the drive not the car.
Okay.
He's staying inside. And the man wished, and why have lucky?
Oh, the doors. And it's Mercedes.
You like it, eh?
No. Beautiful.
That is not by een Peugeot. That is not by een Peugeot. The door is good, eh?
The chrome is good.
It's not by a French car.
And it comes from the Netherlands? Or was it in Italy or other countries?
No. He is come from Deutschland.
Deutschland?
Yeah.
Ah. Very nice. If we look at the details. All good. Very nice. It's nice. You have the colored windows, the
Yes.
tinted windows.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very.
Details. Daarom we haven't built them. Daarom we like it. The small details.
Oh yes.
And dus. Any drivings, how much? You can.
Oh yes.
Kijk, this one. You have never other car.
The seats.
You know?
Yes.
The
I know.
seats.
I know.
Dus,
Those springs in the seats and the horsehair in it.
the handram. Everything is okay.
That's beautiful.
You want them?
Oh yes.
Okay, we glow.
Pre-glow.
Glow.
And you wait.
We wait.
And then you can see it in there, glowing.
Yes, that is not. That is broken.
Ah, okay.
It's a small.
Yes. No.
You listen.
Beautiful.
This is the car.
Very nice.
Right.
Very nice. Can we look at the engine?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Oh, also simple, eh?
It's simple and it works.
It's work.
And you have manual windows. They can't break.
No.
They always work.
It's also.
They always work.
Yes. Oh. Only. Waar zat die ook alweer? Oh ja.
Two
Two.
on each side.
Yes.
One. Nice. How nice. And it's...
Yeah, that's okay.
Is it normal in the Netherlands that the cars are so good? Or do they rust normally here?
Normally, yeah, when you like it, you do it, eh?
Yeah. You
like
maintain
you
it?
do it.
Very
Maar
nice.
je kan dit niet normal met een no car. Je kan met een new car, je kan only met de computer. And
They like to rust there, but it's all solid.
a little bit.
This is just a little
that's
pressure.
a ring.
Yes. But here, it's dry.
Oh, everything is dry. Everything worked. Yeah, this is a small. That is a small problem.
Very nice. Very nice. Some mice? Or it's just old, but the cables are good in there. It's just the insulation.
Yeah, that is a
Installation is
little
open.
bit. That zijn die small things that I reparation.
Yes.
When I have nothing to do, then I look at and then I do it to myself. Huh?
You work on the car yourself?
Only to myself.
Ah, nice. Nice. W115. So nice. Perfect. It's perfect. The original
Yes.
stickers.
Everything is original.
Extra lights. It's
Yes.
good too.
Yeah.
It's nice. Yeah, it looks very good. Is it second paint or is it the first paint? Nieuwe
This is
Farbe or first?
No, I think the second. I think
second, yes.
I think the second.
But good.
But it's very nice. Small problems, but
That's
but the motor is okay. The car is okay.
You know,
drive-
you can say
Oh, sorry.
if there's oil, there's no rust. Wonderful. You drive it every day, or is it stored away in winter?
No,
Every day.
Every day.
Very nice.
My wife drives every day.
Oh, your wife is
Yes,
driving
yes.
mostly. Yes.
Yes.
Oh, she has good taste.
Me as a passenger.
Yeah. Can we look at the trunk? Because I think it's really big. Or is it full?
Yes. It's,
Dead people in there.
yeah. No, not people, but
It's
a little bit.
but it's huge. It's huge. It's big.
Sorry.
No, but it's
But
you know
it's very big.
Yes, it's
Yes.
big. It's big. Yeah,
Yes.
wonderful. And also
Original.
original.
Yes.
No accident.
No.
No. Nice. No rust. Perfect condition. Nice. Yeah, congratulations to the car.
Thank you.
It's great. And this is the original license plate?
Yeah.
It stays?
Yes.
It stays
Yes.
with the car in
Stays
Holland?
with the car. Yes.
Stays with the car.
Yeah.
It's nice. Can you see the location from the numbers or no? Can you
Oh.
see it is an Enkhuizen car or no?
No, then
No.
no, that can
No,
see.
it's just random number.
Yeah. Only for the tax.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From the tax. Is that also for the Netherlands? This extra lamp?
Yes,
Is it?
that is for mist. Eh?
Yeah. The rear
Yeah.
fog light.
Yeah. Yes. That is also original. You see?
Oh, yeah.
Normally over
On the
here.
side, here in the back.
Yes.
It's very nice. Great tires.
Yes, it's a nice car.
It's beautiful. The doors, nice. Very nice. And very nice car. So, thank you, Frans, for showing us your car.
No problem.
Very nice, and I hope it stays with you for many miles in the Netherlands.
Okay. Thank you.
So, thank you.
Bye-bye.
See you soon. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.
Okay.